Hi, this is Nick from W5 Designs, and I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your server. So WordPress has this famous 5-minute installation, and that's what we're going to see if we can do today. This is going to be a live site. We're not going to do this on a local host. This is often how we develop for a lot of our clients. And if you come here to the WordPress Codex, you can find that famous 5-minute install. So one of the first things that we need to do is download and unzip a copy of the WordPress package if we haven't already, and that can be found at wordpress.org. So we'll download the latest version. Currently, as of today, 4/21/2015, it's 4.1.2. So we'll go ahead and download that. And then as that's downloading, we will go ahead and extract it. Okay. So here it is. And that's all the information that we need. So that's perfect. So next step is to create a database for this WordPress installation that we're going to do on our web server. The suggestion is to use MySQL Server, which is pretty much what we're going to do. So we're going to take a cruise over to our cPanel, and we have the new paper lantern theme in here, which is super awesome because we don't have to look for things anymore. And we're going to go over here to MySQL databases. And now in this part, we're going to create the new database. We are going to create a user, and then we're going to add that user to that database. I'll be with you as soon as that's done. I've added my user, I've added my database, and I've added my user to that database. Changes off screen, and they weren't recorded because this is the kind of information that people need to break into your WordPress website, and these are the things that you want to keep private. So again, we've added the user, we've added the database, added the user to the database, and we're going to select all privileges for now. And we'll go ahead and make these changes. Alright, now the next thing we want to do is we want to open this config-sample.php document, and I guess we're gonna just go ahead and open it with Sublime here, see if that works for us. Alright, so this is the sample file that can be rewritten for you if you choose to do it that way through the installation through your browser. I choose to set this up myself before I upload it because it's one less step. So basically what you're going to do here is you're going to go through and you're going to add your database name, your username, your password. Localhost and this char set usually stays the same, and same thing with the database colate type. Excuse me. Another thing we're going to want to do is add some salts. So I'm going to go through and make these changes. We went through and added the information for the database and the user for this file, and we want to go ahead and add in the salts. Salts are another way of helping you secure your WordPress site. So if we just copy this link right here, it'll give us a unique set of salts. And grab that. Cruise on back over to here. Plug them in, and then we're just going to do a Control-A or a Command-A, grab all those, Command-C, copy them, and we'll cruise right back into Sublime, and then highlight everything we see here from the first line of define to the last semicolon, and then paste them in, and that's it. Now there's a couple other options that you have here that you can do. One of the things is you can change your table prefix. Doing this also helps you increase security for your WordPress website because this is a common prefix. All WordPress installations stock come with a WP underscore, and it has to end in an underscore. So you can change your table prefix also. That's one thing that we'll do. We want to do a file save as, and then we're going to remove this sample portion. This will help us skip a step when we're installing WordPress in the browser itself. So we'll save that. And then we want to log in with our FTP. Ahead and found the directory that we want to put these in. We're going to have to be careful that we don't want to put install WordPress in a subdirectory of this particular directory. So we're going to go ahead and back up a step. We want everything that's inside this folder. We don't need the folder itself. So everything from admin down to, that's it, the WP blog header. We'll grab that, pop it in there, give that a minute to upload. Files are all done uploading to the server. We're pushing that 5-minute mark a little bit, but we're almost done. So now if we go to our browser, go to the website that we downloaded, or that we uploaded, I'm sorry, all those files to, we should have a fresh installation of WordPress. So we'll continue on here. Pick your language. I'll fill in your details here. Click Install WordPress. Set, you've been installed and set, and then you can log in. So here we are at our login screen. Select login. If your username and password is right, you're in. This is your dashboard, and this is what your website looks like currently. It's very much stock, out of the box WordPress. And if you follow along, I will direct you on adding themes, adding child themes, and building custom WordPress websites, because that's all we do. It's been Nick Jubry from W5 Designs, and I look forward to seeing you soon.